this video, we're going to talk about another awesome marketing tool, software that you'll find exciting in your business. But before we get into the video, click the link below where you'll be able to check out some awesome tools, bonuses that you'll be able to grab if you pick up this awesome tool. But now let's jump into the video.
Introducing ShopReelAI, your ultimate AI-powered solution for effortlessly running a successful TikTok shop affiliate business from scratch. With a unique one-time investment and no monthly fees, it automates everything from product discovery to video CRE. Just enter your niche, and let our AI engine auto-discover hot products, generate professional 20 to 35-second videos, and create catchy captions, all while managing trackable affiliate links. Say goodbye to the exhaustion of manual content creation. ShopReelAI allows you to post across multiple platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, reaching a vast audience of potential buyers without needing your own followers. Our easy-to-use dashboard lets you track commissions, clicks, and performance metrics in real time, making it simple to optimize your strategies and watch your income grow. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned marketer, ShopReelAI is designed for everyone. No experience with video editing or technical skills is required. Imagine having a tireless video factory working around the clock, generating fresh and engaging content that turns viewers into buyers. Join the TikTok affiliate marketing gold rush today and unlock the potential to create a thriving income with ShopReelAI. Your key to a lucrative affiliate business awaits. Don't miss out on our limited time offer. Take action now and claim your spot BFO.
If you're watching this video, don't forget to pick up the bonuses after you purchase. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.